you struggling with knee pain? If you're struggling with knee pain, I have something to help you. The Cleveland Clinic says that it's super important to strengthen and stretch the muscles supporting your knees if you're having knee pain. So I'm going to show you a super simple yoga sequence to strengthen the muscles supporting your knees. It's called Warrior 2. So all you're going to do is stand up nice and tall, bring the hands to the hips, open the feet fairly wide so you're coming into a wide leg straddle. Make sure the feet are lined up more or less parallel to each other. Then you're going to turn your right foot out so that it's facing the short edge of your mat. Bend the knee, make sure it's right over the ankle and not falling in. Stretch out the arms, press into the outer edge of the back foot, pull the belly in and breathe. So you can stay here anywhere from 5 breaths to 10 breaths, or start with 1 or 2 and work up for it. You're going to start to feel the legs working, start to feel them getting stronger, and then when you're done, you're just going to straighten the knees, bring the arms down, and then you want to pivot to the other side. So you're going to turn the other foot out to the short edge of the mat, bend the knee, again make sure the knee is right over the ankle, stretch the arms out, look over those fingertips, pull the belly in and breathe, staying here anywhere from, as I said, 1 breath to 5 breaths to 10 breaths. Strengthening the legs, also strengthens the arms and the core. And then when you're done, straighten the knees, bring the hands down, come back to center, and you can just bring the feet back together. So I hope this helped you. If it helps, please don't forget to like and follow me for more tips to strengthen the knees and prevent your knee pain. Hope this helps.